how to fix Facebook account has been locked. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your device, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, search only for Facebook, because as you know, there is a lot of applications there. Click on storage option. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop, and click also OK. And now you have to back and restart your phone. After this, your problem will be solved correctly. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.